Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Tanu Kalsi, Assistant Professor from Government Degree College, Dharampur, from Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla. Today we are going to talk on module Business Ethics, Meaning and Importance from the paper Human Values and Indian Ethos. After completing this module, the students will be able to learn about the concept of business ethics, describe the need and scope of business ethics, discuss significance of business ethics, explain unethical business practices and ways to control them. Meaning and definitions. Ethics can be defined as set of moral principles and values about what is fair or unfair, right or wrong, true or false, proper or improper. What is right is ethical and what is wrong is unethical. Business ethics means applying the principles of general ethics to business practices. In other words, it is the application of ethical values to business behavior. Business ethics or ethical standards are the philosophies, practices, norms, and principles that guide owner or management in their day-to-day business decisions. Business ethics requires the consideration of impact of various business decisions on the interest of various stakeholders and taking measures to safeguard their interest by observing morality in business activities. According to Wheeler, business ethics is an art and science for maintaining harmonious relationship with society, its various groups and institutions, as well as reorganizing moral responsibility for the rightness and wrongness of the business conduct. In the words of Cater McNamara, business ethics is generally coming to know what is right or wrong in the workplace and doing what is right. This is in regard to the effects of products and services and in relationship with the stakeholders. Attention to the ethics in workplace sensitizes managers and staff to know that they should act so that they retain a moral compass. Consequently, business ethics can be strong preventive medicine. Business ethics can be best understood in the terms of 3 C's. Compliance. Business ethics means following laws, organizational policies, and principles of morality like honesty, no jealousy, no cheating, etc. Contribution. Business ethics implies serving the society through core values, quality products, better quality of life, more employment opportunity, optimum utilization of scarce resources, and community development activities. Consequences. Business ethics means considering impact of business decisions and activities on the stakeholders' interest, environment, and public image. Features of business ethics. Business ethics are the principles, practices, and standards that guide an organization while conducting various activities and interacting with business external and internal stakeholders. Business ethics relates to the behavior of businessman while conducting the business. Business ethics are dynamic in nature. It has universal application. It is considered as science as well as an art. Ethical standards develop personal dignity. Business ethics is wider concept than corporate social responsibility. Management of ethics depends upon seriousness of top level management about the significance of business ethics. Moral values of individuals influence business ethics. Business ethics are supportive in effective implementation of various labor laws. Organizational culture supporting high ethical standards has influence on ethical behavior of managers. Business ethics are based on moral values and principles like human welfare, service to society, good behavior, fairness, honesty, sincerity, etc. Business ethics minimizes corruption and prevent fraud. Business ethics create investor-friendly atmosphere. Need of business ethics. To improve morale of employees and to reduce absenteeism, and labor turnover. To reduce social tensions created due to unethical practices of business firms. For example, scandal of Satyam Computer Services in India created problems of unemployment, job insecurity, increased suicide rate of employees, loss of investor faith, fear in the mind of various persons associated with Satyam Computer Services in one way or the other. To create investor friendly environment for business sustainability and growth, to stop various evils which the law cannot stop, for reconciling strategic corporate interest with moral demands, for creation of better society, to resolve those problems of business which the government cannot resolve, to have competitive edge in market, for self-satisfaction and enhancing quality of lives. Scope of business ethics. Moral duties towards society and government in general. Example, honestly paying taxes and other government dues, conservation of natural resources, protection of environment, prevention of artificial scarcity of resources, goods, creation of job opportunities, other community welfare activities. Moral duties towards various stakeholders in particular. Example, fair treatment to employees in compensation, evaluation and promotion, fair policy of recruitment and selection, humane approach towards employees, better quality goods at reasonable price, quick payment of loans and interest thereon, safe and eco-friendly distribution of products, capital appreciation, timely payment to suppliers, occupational safety, and using fair competitive strategies, etc. Moral duties of various members or employees of organization as individuals. Example, not to misuse others for personal benefits, not to use officials' facilities for personal use, not to take bribe, not to feel jealous of others' success, etc. Thus, the scope of business ethics extend to various functional areas of management and society. Various issues of business ethics. The non-fulfillment of moral duties can raise various issues. These issues can be classified as social or systematic issues. These issues arise due to non-fulfillment of economic, social, or legal obligation. Corporate issues. These issues arise due to gap between stated policies and actual implementation. The ethical questions are raised about morality of policies, activities, practices, or organization structure of particular organization. Individual issues. These issues relate to question about morality of actions, decisions, or character of an individual. Principles of business ethics. Sacredness of means and end. This principle says that sacred and pure means should be used to achieve business goals. Non-cooperation in evils. As per this principle, the business should not support client or other business houses in their corrupt practices. No jealousy. Business should not feel jealous of successful enterprises. It should try to learn their good policies and believe in healthy competition. Equivalent price. It means providing worth of goods according to price charged. Publicity. As per this principle, any good act of employee should be brought to the notice of others in the company. Not to do any evil act. Business activities should not be carried out with the purpose of causing harm to others. Rational thinking before doing. Business should make a rational judgment before doing anything. If any activity of business is profitable for it, but not in good interest of the society, it should not be carried out. Human dignity. Workers should not be treated as mere cog in the wheel. They have emotions and feelings. Their dignity should be maintained. Importance of business ethics. An organization can never succeed if it ignores ethics in its business practices. Ethics is a key to success for all organizations. Business ethics has numerous benefits. Some of them have been discussed as follows. Good reputation. Good business reputation is built on a sound foundation of ethical culture. People believe that organizations which follow ethical practices and value people more than profit continuously strive to operate with utmost integrity and honor. Organizations perceived as ethical are truly respected by the people even if they have no knowledge of its actual working. Ethical conduct helps in developing public confidence, which is very essential for any organization. Next is better decision making. Ethical considerations in every type of organizational decision help in better decisions. The implications of such decisions are studied to ensure that interest of various groups is in harmony with generally accepted ethical norms. Industrial unrest and social tensions prevail when business decisions are taken without testing against ethical standards. Next is growth of business organizations. Organizations with sound ethical base are able to sustain profits in long run. Ethical principles may not ensure good results in short term, but organizations are bound to reap benefits in the long run. Ethical conduct earns good public image, which consequently contribute to organizations' success and growth. Next is better employer-employee relations. Ethical behavior of management is depicted when management cares for genuine interest of employees. Occupational safety and health, fair treatment to employees, no discrimination at workplace on the basis of sex, religion, disability, etc. helps in developing mutual faith between employees and management. Under ethical managerial approach, management tries to know how its employees think and react to particular situation. Then it sets various work and personal policies. In such work culture, a sense of oneness emerges between management and employees. Employees feel alignment between their values and values of the organization. Next is employee growth. Ethical practices and conduct at the workplace help employees face reality, whether it is good or bad, in the organization and in themselves. They feel confident that they can accept and deal with every type of situation. Ethics help employees in developing a rationale behind choosing a particular alternative or undertaking certain actions. This certainty and rationality help in reducing unnecessary tensions and burden of employees. They can concentrate more on their work and less on indecisive thoughts coming to their mind. Next is avoidance of litigation cost. Management's ethical approach ensures highly ethical policies and practices at workplace. It believes that incurring cost of mechanisms to ensure ethical business practices is far better to incur heavy cost of litigation or lawsuits in case of breach of promises later on. Moreover, lawsuit against company hampers the company's image. Thus, well-designed personal policies ensuring ethical treatment to employees in matters of hiring, disciplining, evaluating and firing helps in saving organization for committing the breach of contract of employment. The gap between the said policies and actual practices has significant legal implications, whether being related to finance, production, human resources and marketing. The due emphasis on ethical practices saves organization from various penalties. Next is enhanced employee commitment. Attention to ethics and values in the workplace create environment of openness, trust and care for each other. Employees feel strong alignment of their values with that of the values of organization. This results in increased employee motivation and commitment. Employees become ready to make individual sacrifices for the well-being of organization. They work with great dedication. Next is prevention of fraud. Strong commitment to business ethics develops the culture of transparency and openness. Fraud prevention becomes a shared responsibility of all persons working in the organization. Business ethics provides ability to assess possibility of frauds and to take measures to prevent such frauds. Next, increased organizational competitiveness. Business ethics increases organizations' competitiveness in marketplace. Such organizations can easily market their products. They find no problem in rising finance. Investors have faith in such organizations. They know that ethical conduct of organization will contribute to effectiveness and profit earning capacity of organization. Such organizations also have advantage of getting better talented persons as employees without making much efforts. Next is better service to society. Ethical practices of business contribute to the betterment of society more than one way. Timely payment of taxes increases government revenues and enables government to carry out welfare activities for the society. Better image due to ethical practices lead to the growth of organization, and as a result more job opportunities are created. Ethical conduct of business enterprises helps in creation of healthy society by controlling pollution or preserving natural resources. Business ethics plays a significant role in reducing various social tensions and social evils. Last but not the least, other benefits. Organizations which have strict adherence to business ethics achieve greater consistency in standards and quality of products, high profitability, success in diversity management, expanded market base, better image, long-term liaison with the clients and community support. Unethical business practices. Any activity of any organization which is undertaken for its own self-interest and to cause harm to others is termed as unethical business practice. The organization has to face legal complications and environment of distrust due to its unethical business practices. Activities which are considered as unethical business practices include black marketing and hoarding, selling substandard and defective goods at higher prices, taking bribe for business deals, manipulation of accounting records, misleading financial analysis, duplication and piracy, that is, infringement of patent, copyright and trademark, misleading advertisements, tax evasion and non-payment of compensation for unlawful act, adopting unfair trade practices, avoiding government regulations regarding production of hazardous products, non-implementation of various labor laws, causing harm to environment by not following government prescribed norms. Causes for unethical behavior or unethical business practices. Corruption at all levels and in all systems. Liberalization, privatization and globalization. Lack of stringent rules. Falling inclination towards moral values. Ineffective regulatory bodies. Highly competitive environment. Greed for money. Nuclear family culture. Increasing complexities of modern life. Emergence of materialistic economy. Lack of social society. Weakening spiritual side of life. Frequent changing rules and laws, making them more complex. Measures to prevent or control unethical business practices. The main responsibility of managing and developing ethical behavior among employees lies with the top management. Top management can prevent unethical business practices in number of ways. It should formulate corporate code of ethics to make employees aware of organizations' expectations regarding ethical behavior. Ethical behavior should be made an important parameter in performance evaluation of employees. Some mechanism should be developed to bring unethical practices into light and to protect and reward whistleblowers. To nip evil in bud, compliance officers should be appointed. They will keep a check on corruption, fraud and abuse within the organization. Moreover, proper vigilance will help in development of strong ethical environment in the organization. Seminars on importance of business ethics should be frequently organized for employees. Even comprehensive ethics training program will be beneficial for employees. Ethical conduct at all levels and in all departments should be promoted. Meetings may be called at short intervals to convey commitment of top management to business ethics and to keep people aware of benefits of business ethics. Managers or leaders should consistently follow ethical standards. It will help in developing ethical work culture. A system of self-monitoring, transparency, and accountability will be helpful in preventing unethical business practices. Summary: business ethics or ethical standards are the philosophies, practices, norms, and principles that guide owner or management in their day-to-day business decisions. Business ethics requires the consideration of impact of various business decisions on the interest of various stakeholders and taking measures to safeguard their interest by observing morality in business activities. Business ethics can be best understood in terms of 3 C's, that is compliance, contribution, and consequences. Business ethics are essential to reduce corruption and malpractices those exist in the organization and to society, and to improve morale of employees, to reduce absenteeism and labor turnover rate, to reduce social tensions created due to unethical practices of business firms, and to create investor-friendly environment. Business ethics involve various moral duties of business. These are moral duties towards society and government in general, example, honestly paying taxes and other government dues, conservation of natural resources, etc. Moral duties towards various stakeholders in particular, example, fair treatment to employees in compensation, evaluation and promotion, humane approach towards employees, capital appreciation, better quality goods at reasonable prices, using fair competitive strategies, etc. Moral duties of various members or employees of organization as individuals. Example, not to misuse other facilities for personal purpose, not to take bribe, not to feel jealous of others' success, etc. The non-fulfillment of moral duties can raise various issues. These issues may relate to workplace, production, marketing, accounts and finance, environment, transparency and corporate governance, and corporate social responsiveness. A number of thinkers have developed various principles of business ethics, such as sacredness of means and ends, non-cooperation in evils, no jealousy, publicity of good acts, not to do any evil act, rational thinking before doing, and human dignity. Business ethics, that is ethical standards and ethical conduct in business, provide various benefits to the organization like good reputation, better decision making, growth of business, better employer-employee relationship, employee growth, avoidance of litigation cost, prevention of fraud, increased organizational competitiveness, better society service, etc. Many organizations still indulge in unethical practices such as black marketing and hoarding, selling substandard and defective goods at higher prices, taking bribe for business deals, manipulation of accounting records, duplication and piracy, misleading advertisements, tax evasion, etc. Certain strategies like formulation of corporate code of ethics, making ethical behavior an important parameter in performance evaluation, appointment of compliance officer, and seminars on business ethics can help in reducing unethical business practices. Thank you.